Alright.
Alright, starting.
Good.
Oh wait, I need to start the recording.
Alright.
Bro,
Oh,
what?
Sorry.
OBS, start recording the game.
What's up? Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Good, let's go. Let's play some.
One course or Grand Prix? Grand Prix is 4 races and this is
Let's go Grand Prix.
Alright. How you moving this with the analog stick?
What the fuck? you got I, you got Mimi, you got Baby, you got Dong. Bro, let me get the baby move.
You press circle.
Oh, okay. What?
Start? Yup.
Let me do my ritual. Alright, here we go. Ready? I bet.
It's a race.
Wait, which one am I?
You're the one on the bottom. Oh my god. Baby.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, you just made me spin
Bro,
out.
am I a ball?
Yeah, why
This is
monkey?
off-brand Mario Kart.
Well, no, this is a mini game.
How do I use it?
Circle.
What the fuck?
Oh, you just fell off the map.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Yup, I got 2 items.
Bro,
Banana?
I'm catching up though.
Yup.
Weave.
Yup, you don't even.
Okay, I have so much stuff.
Ooh, bro, what the heck is happening on your character?
Bro, I'm a freaking monkey.
Oh, those things did not give you a speed boost. Ain't no way you can see me.
I have a bomb. Wait, what was that?
Bro, bomb!
I have a bomb. I threw the bomb.
I just bombed you.
You just put me forward. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my gosh. What am I?
I think you have to like move. Like,
This is some. What you mean?
Bro, that's easily bombing you.
Okay.
Got 4 out of 5.
Bro, this is smooth. I'm gonna win.
I got 2 bombs and ice.
This is Mario Kart with a bomb.
Bro, I clapped you on Mario Kart on the daily.
Alright, let's go!
Oh, what a
You
bomb.
trash!
Well, how did you get so fast?
Garbage! Wait, how?
Whether you went off the thingy.
Nah. You have experience, bro.
Bro, all you do is boost the thing.
Bro,
Look, you got a speed boost right now.
You have experience playing this monkey game. You monkey!
Bro. Why is he twerking?
Bro.
Alright, next race.
What is this?
And this thing?
Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm in front of you.
Yeah, I think it's because you lost. Yup.
Take that.
What the heck is wrong with this?
Get off of my...
Get off my monkey, bro.
Get off my monkey.
There's some questionable things to say, bro. Oh,
Monkey!
you just made me go off the map. Look at his head. Why did you do that?
I did it. I can't hit that thing. Like,
I missed that. Oh,
Stop.
crap. Oh, crap. I
stop
just fell off the
focusing
map.
on me. Yeah.
Bro, you know it's only me and you, right?
Yeah. Stop focusing on me. Can I jump?
No, not in this one.
Oh,
the
why is
one
there
with
bananas still there? Holy.
Banana peel.
Bro, please don't catch up to me.
It says no bananas. They got sponsored. Oh my god, I almost fell off the map.
Please don't catch up.
How far ahead are you,
Oh my
bro?
gosh, I am lapping you.
Oh my god, I just bumped it down again.
Garbage. Bro, you see this guy, bro? Are you seeing him?
Bro, I really just clapped you in the last
Spanish
20 minutes. Bro, I'm doing spinning, bro.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey see, monkey do.
What kind of monkey game is this?
Monkeys and bubbles. Are you kidding me again?
You are. Oh my
Wait,
god.
how are you already at the flag thing, bro?
I am that guy.
Oh wait, I'm here again.
Wait, what?
Yup, I'm
Okay,
catching
you
up.
just-
I'm catching up.
How my dust taste? How
Oh
does
my
my dust
god,
taste?
I don't think
How
there's
does
been
my
a one lap.
aftertaste taste? Oh my
Put a
god.
turbulence here, bro.
My turbulence. Bro, I'm gonna do turbulence for the last. Bro, you got. No.
Final lap.
No. Oh, no.
Oh wait, I'm not even on my final lap. What am I inside the
Oh shoot.
I'm on my final now. I
You're dead. You're dead.
Is that a
In front of me,
speed?
you're dead.
Yep.
You're in front of me, you're dead.
Are you at the finish line?
Yes. Oh yeah.
Hold up.
Turbulence.
Bro, what the heck?
Let's go.
Oh my. Wait, but we're tied for first.
Okay.
Next race.
Alright.
Oh, this one only got
Only
4
4
laps.
rounds. Gonna get slapped. I'll beat you at your own game.
This is not even my own game. I'm playing like twice on this one.
How about I beat you?
And how did you get a
In
speed
a
boost
game
in
where-
first place, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Yep. I'm about to get first place.
Did you do a cameo in this game?
No.
Oh shoot. Let's go.
Is that a bomb? So don't
Wait,
get in
I
front
got
of me. Nope. Don't hit me with
What?
that. You missed both of them?
Ow!
Oh my
Nah, this is so
god.
bull, bro.
Ain't no way. Eat my banana. Pause.
No way.
I just missed the boost panel.
That? You missed it? Oh yeah. See Monkey do. Monkey see? Monkey die. I'm dead.
This is not a race, bro.
This is your race.
I haven't fell off the map once. Oh, but I hit your banana.
I'm the king. Oh yeah.
Hey.
You got hit.
No.
Bro is jiggling the freaking joystick. Taste my dust, monkey.
Oh my god, I'm literally doing
Taste my
SSS.
dust, monkey.
Bro, how are you
No!
in first again?
No!
Bro, I keep going up the ramp and doing spins. Oh, are you kidding me?
So
Are you
bad.
kidding me? I'm getting body.
Bro,
Ain't no way.
I'm so... I lost my momentum. You're so... Oh, you're so... Oh my gosh. How am I not?
Bro, because I was throwing for you.
You're not even throwing. Look at you.
Bro,
Bro.
what is up with the turbulence? Why does it tell me to retire?
Don't retire, bro. They keep the game so you trash.
You're beating me by 10 points, bro.
I wouldn't have.
Alright, this is the last race. 3 laps.
I bet. Whoever wins this takes home the bacon. Or it's a tie.
Unless you win, really just... I mean, unless I win, I think I win. Wait, what am I even saying, right? Cut that out.
Oh!
Don't cut that out.
Oh!
Oh, I just fell off the map.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you don't want to see me at monkey fight, though.
I'm lucky for you. Okay. My monkey meat!
Bro,
Gosh.
what? Pause.
It's not a pause moment. Oh, how do I get out of that, bro?
You
Like,
just wiggle the joystick around. That's how I died.
I'm not giving you
Bro, you've been giving the screen turbulence the whole time. Turbulence.
Let's go! You're so bad.
Look at the lead I got, bro. And I wasted my eyes. Oh, I don't even have that much of a lead. Never mind.
I missed.
Yup.
Can't look at that.
Yup.
I missed again. I missed again.
Yup.
Yeah, I'm not even that far from it. Kind of. How, bro? What game am I playing? What game am I playing?
Monkey ball.
Obviously not. Oh my gosh.
How do I get my banana out?
Oh my gosh, wait, we're literally, oh
Eat my
my
banana,
gosh,
bro.
it's so bad. Oh my
Because I
gosh,
wasn't
it's so
looking at
bad.
this.
Oh my
What
gosh,
the
you're so
bomb,
bad.
bro?
Oh my gosh, you're so bad. You're so bad. You're so bad. You're so bad. You're so bad at the game, honestly. Like, honestly.
I got 2 speed.
Oh my gosh, you're so bad. Oh no.
I got so much speed.
Okay. Oh, you're bad at the game.
I just fell off the map.
Let's go! No! Yes.
Bro, you're making me do circles.
Yes, you're bad at the game.
I use my item to get out of it.
You're so bad at the game.
Hit that banana.
So bad at the game.
Yeah.
You're so bad. Oh my god.
This is the exit. No, we're not at the finish line yet. Give me an item.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, bro. Bro, what
How
are
do
you?
you feel? You got clapped up, dude. Look, 37 to 24.
Oh wait, there's still another one.
What? Really? They on some. They want me to clap you again. I see.
Nope, I'm about to win.
Wait, I can't even. Oh my
What the heck is
gosh. What type
this?
of game?
I can't even see where to go. Oh, we have to build up speed.
Oh, this is so.
This is so bad, bro. And there's 4 laps of this.
I want to play this one. Oh,
This one.
you behind?
I'm way behind. Speed up, yup.
I'm second. No.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Wait. You're...
I'm in first.
Oh my gosh, this is such a cheese map, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm not even doing that.
This map sucks. Are you Cheerios right now? Yup, what's on my lead? You got 2 eyes and the speed boost.
What lead?
You missed.
What lead?
Oh my.
What lead? No.
Yeah, what lead? I'm literally about to lap you. Oh wait, no, you're ahead of me. First try?
No! A big one.
Bro.
Let's go!
You got me sounding like I'm tired, bro. Banana. Yep, I saw that. You ain't see that though. And I saw that too. I literally outran that. No, you're here too.
Let's go! Oh, let's go.
You're gonna fall.
Look at you! He's garbage!
What are you? What is that? Bro, what is that?
Okay.